So, welcome back to Reep Midland, and I've come to have a look at what they've got in the studio. So, follow me. Beautiful green Aventador S. Love that colour. We've got an Aventador SV with the gold wheels. We've seen this before, but this is lovely. We've got another Aventador SV. Don't they look great together? In fact, all three of them look fantastic. We've got an amazing M4 competition pack, which has just been delivered as we were filming. This is stunning. And then we've got a 458 Speciale up on the ramps, having a piece of work done. But over here, a gorgeous Lamborghini Performante. Absolutely, this sounds amazing. But the car that I'm here to collect is just over here. It's a Porsche 964, and I've been tasked to take it to Porsche Leicester, where it's going to have its service. So this has been fitted with the SmartTrack stolen vehicle recovery system, fully trackable via the mobile app. Very clever. Let's go for a drive. So with Reep Midland, you can choose as to whether you would like the covered or uncovered trailer, or whether you'd like one of their fully insured and friendly staff to drop your vehicle at the destination required. So we have arrived at Porsche, where she will be going for a service. So I think all that's left now is to go and have a look around the showroom and see what fantastic Porsches they've got at Porsche Leicester.